Alright, we are staying at Falls Lodge. So this resort is like really spread out. It's really spread out. Alright, so first floor. And she said elevators. There you go. Take the elevator down.
Bear right there.
There's a bear.
There is a bear. Look out there.
It's very impressive. This definitely has a Bass Pro Shop feel.
Yeah, it does.
Definitely.
Could you press a button?
What? You could press a button.
I don't have a button to press.
It's one. God, see, our room is 300, so I'm thinking we should go to room 3.
This is why I asked if the cave is real or not, if it's manufactured.
Oh, well, I see what you're saying. And they look, they ride a golf cart through it. That's pretty cool. Alright. I was gonna say it's dark, but it's because I forgot to take my glasses off. 300 is that way. Look at the sign. It's all like, I definitely feel like I'm in a Bass Pro Shop.
There's birds everywhere.
And there are birds everywhere. Oh my
Those
god,
are
phones. What are those? 3, is that 300? 309.
What's the matter with this side?
Oh crap, that means we're not even facing the lake. Oh my god.
Maybe we are.
I doubt it because Odd is on the left. Ethan will be on the right. If we don't have a view, I'm gonna be like,
That's a lot of money to
I'll
spend
just
if there's
say,
no view.
this hotel is like $350 a night. It's not cheap, and that was like the cheapest room. So it's not a cheap place to stay. But it is a resort.
We're at one.
Oh, okay. Alright, we are facing the lake.
I don't even know where the... Oh, there's a river right there.
We're at the very, very end. Very,
The
very,
stairwell right here.
very end. Look at that. That's pretty.
Yeah.
Hi.
Alright, let's go to our room.
Alright. 300.
Oh, yeah. I thought you wave it in front and say, Alakazam.
I think it's all.
It's what?
It did green for a minute there.
Alright.
Alright. Oh, okay. This is nice. It's with a deer
Oh, jeez.
and a pheasant.
This is really the place I told you to get a room?
Robert, I did directly from your notes.
Okay. Yeah, that's... Alright.
Oh, we get to view their shuttle bus.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, look at the lake. It's pretty, Robert. He's just disappointed because he thought we'd be closer to Table Rock Lake. It is a beautiful room
With a deer head.
with a deer head
And a pheasant or whatever that is.
and a pheasant and a TV. Alright. If you're wondering why I'm like laughing, my husband is not a hunter, he's a fisher. Alright, here's the bathroom. Very cool. What is this? A jacuzzi tub, yes! And I forgot my... Huh?
With a window right there.
With a window so Robert can watch. That's... Alright, I guess that's a good thing we're married. And then a separate shower. And then a random door. Oh, that's the toilet. Spooky. That kind of looks a little spooky. Spooky. Let's see. Toiletries. So yeah, this is our room at Big Cedar Lodge. I love it. Robert's not so much. It's the deer. It's the deer that's bugging him. I'll put like a sheet over it. It'll be okay. He won't be watching you.
I'm just not an animal head.
I know.
I don't mind, people can do whatever they want, and that's fine if they want to have a deer head, but I'm just not a deer head person.
Oh, there's a fridge. That's fine. You don't have to be a deer head person.
I like
This-
them alive.
They are much better when they're alive. Alright, this is our room for the next 2 days. So we're gonna get our exercise because this resort is totally spread out. See that lake back there that we want to go fishing? We could drive, but no, we're walking. We are walking. I do like the waterfall outside of our room. That is cool. So we're gonna commit our luggage, and then we're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna start walking around and see what's here. So I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. All right, so this is the map. See how huge this resort is. This is where we're staying. This is where registration just was. And this is where we want to get to. This is Big Cedar Fun Mountain. I think that's where the arcade is. So we are going to walk. This is a walking trail. And then this is a 5K road, 5K loop. So we're gonna do the walking trail up to the 5K and then hop over here. Because we don't want to have to drive. I'm disappointed that there's not a walking trail all the way to it, but we'll figure it out. All right, that's what we're going to attempt to do. We're going to walk around this resort. All right, so this is the outside view of our room. Our room is the left bottom. This is where it would actually pay to be on the third level, because the third is the first since it's built into the back, but that's okay. I still like our room. Now this is the walking path. And we should see the church really well. Maybe not because of all the trees. It's very pretty. There's the church right down there. I got my map because I know I'm gonna get lost. Oh, it is a weeping willow tree. That is very, very pretty. This lodge is very, very big. So Robert was debating with me because there is more than one lodge here, and I made the room reservation, which I'm sure from now on he will take over the room reservations. There is another lodge here that is more modern, probably no deer heads in the rooms, so my bad. I did offer to call the front desk, but no big deal. He's okay with the room.
As long as the ghost of that deer head doesn't come back.
As long
Pheasant or quail or whatever.
I think there's a reason why I picked this one. I feel like there is a golf convention going on right now, so I'm pretty sure the other place was already booked because it's closer to the convention center. So, oh well. I'm pretty easygoing. Make do with what we got. And just listen to Robert grouse about the deer head for the next 2 days.
That's it. That's all you're gonna hear about.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's like a 12-foot stuffed bear in the lobby. I'll do a video later showing. It's definitely, if you've ever been to Bass Pro Shop, I keep saying it. This is like Bass Pro Shop. So.
Except they don't have prices on everything yet.
They don't have prices on everything.
Once we get to the restaurants.
This is very pretty though. Look at that. So, and the weather couldn't be more perfect. It is what, 78? Yep. No rain for the next 2 days. And when we were checking in, we mentioned the long winding road to get in. She showed us the shortcut. There is a service road to get in and out that we will take next time. So this is the road that we came in on. There's a good view of the church. Oh, I should have looked at the clock. Look at the clock right now. I want to see how long it takes us to get to the 3:53. I want to see how long it takes us to get to the Fun Mountain. Alright, so let's see, I think we go right here. There's the church. Yeah, this is the 5K run path. See? We went on this path now until it cuts across Ravine Road. I'm not going to record the whole way. I just wanted to show a good view of the church. Because I'm going to play Pokemon. There are tons of Pokestops here. Look at that. Isn't that church beautiful?
Yeah.
Alright, we're still on this walking path. Now you can see Table Rock Lake. This is just an inlet. The lake is way bigger than this. Table Rock Lake is huge. Look at that house over there. Be a nice house.
Holy mackerel.
You see, oh, there's tons of houses on that hill.
Yeah, it sure is. What are those, like $4,000?
This is the back of the registration building right here, and then right there to the right is Truman's Sweet Shop. We'll go there tomorrow. It closes at 6. That's the only thing I don't. The hours. So their summer season ended last weekend, so the Lazy River is closed. A lot of the stuff is already closed, and the Fun Mountain closes at 8, which I'm sure it's fine for kids because kids have an 8 p.m. bedtime. But for me, I'm used to Dave & Buster's that's open till midnight, so that's okay. We're gonna do the arcade now, and then we will walk later at night because this place is beautiful. We're doing some kind of, oh yeah. See that? That's what we're walking to. A huge Fun Mountain. Anyway, they close at 8, so we want to get there. And that's the marina. We will explore that tomorrow. Probably go fishing tomorrow.
Why does the water look so low?
The water does look low. Are those crows laughing at us?
They are laughing at us.
They're like, fools, you're walking. Why walk when there's cars? Because we like to walk. I don't know. It's looking a little sketchy on the side. They need a little better. Let's see. But I think we want to stay. I gotta think about this map. Alright, I gotta read the map.